In connections with the observance of Golden Jubilee celebrations of All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU, a one-day discussion program on Right to Information Act 2005 was held yesterday at the Manipur Press Club, which was jointly organized by AMJU and Manipur Information Commission. The discussion program was attended by President AMJU Bijoy Kakching Tabam, former State Chief Information Commissioner T.H. Ibobi, and State Chief Information Commissioner in charge Oinam Sunil as panelists. Speaking during the discussions, State Chief Information Commissioner in charge Oinam Sunil expressed that if personnel of the print and electronic media have a sound knowledge of the Right to Information Act, then not only they will be able to perform their duties efficiently, but they will be able to face problems and disputes that they might encounter while on duty. He added that during COVID pandemic, last number of applications under RTI was received. However, this year has seen an increase in the number of RTI applications. He continued that more the number of RTI applications, the better governance will be there in the state. He further stressed that amidst the ongoing conflict that began on May 3rd, the number of victims who lost their houses, properties, the number of victims who lost their lives and the number of beneficiaries who have received compensations can be ascertained through RTI applications. He further expressed that if all people are well versed with RTI Act, the evils of corruption will automatically be rooted out from the society.
Punishment yam PTA no wala busu lai budi adagi officer yam people le hai busu lai adu yeng ba ga da punishment pi ba ise ek ta hai re na he papi pi ge do suna te adi hauji apoi na DC office ta lam gi matang da hangu ba ga da DC gi office gi lam gi matang yin chena matam lai tri eba last May June da da kada Iran taw me se Iran gi taw ri da apoi na adu ba da hai ma ai spine taw da Iran gi chatle the SDC मैम जिन्हें SBI और का the SDC जे कोई ना hearing तो वो नुमिता के नोमे कापना बगी ना मैजिस्ट्रेट उनसे की हुई है वो दूर में मैम ने कोई मुझे excuse ये नगर मस्जिद चुम्बरा चुम्बरा ये नगर कोई punishment जी ये बता बनी अदो वो ultimately even RTI थी मूवन आरों लुगी against the public movement सिंह दलाल तो ना अदो RTI जो कुछ ना तो वो I think it was a success. We have to make the RTI as a movement. The RTI is the government, the government for corruption under Canada. See the president corruption to Wahai, see the Shuita, and Lupasama, sanction the Wada to Mana, Sanito to see the Ita, the Pana, the corruption of the Lago, RTI is Haring, the Taba, hailing the corruption.